Hi, welcome on board to the GRC journey. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of what you would expect in the next couple of weeks as we start the program. We're going to get into the basic foundation of cybersecurity. For some of you that have asked us that, are we going to be covering the basic foundation? Yes, we get into introduction to cybersecurity, the concept around it. We talk about asset management. How do we manage assets? Vulnerability management, vulnerability within your systems or within the home network, for example. We talk about security incident event management. How do we monitor the network in general also? Then we talk about identity access management. How do we grant access to people, to critical infrastructure? Then we talk about threat intelligence. How do we gather, analyze potential threats from adversaries? Then incident response. How do we respond if there is an incident? We're going to talk about that also. Then we're going to talk about different frameworks in cybersecurity like NIST CSF 2.0, NIST 853, 161, 30, ISO 27001. We talk about building policies in cyber. We conduct risk assessment. Then we get into third-party risk. We're going to talk about disaster recovery, business continuity. How do we analyze impact on a business if there was a disaster? Then we get into third-party risk management in general, how to make sure we assess and manage risk associated with our vendors and partners out there. Then we get into privacy and regulation, maturity model. So we talk about GDPR for European Union, PIPEDA for Canada, CCPA for California in the US, PCI DSS in the US, HIPAA for healthcare in the US. Then we do things like data privacy protection impact assessment. We use different maturity models for CMMC 2.0, which is mostly around the government contract space, iTrust, SOC 2 Type 2. And these are areas we're going to cover in the program. We're going to talk about AI assessment. How do you assess an AI large language model in your organization? We're going to talk about secure software development life cycle. We talk about insider risk, just to make sure we mitigate risk internally to our organization. Then we talk about operation technology for like our critical infrastructure, refineries, power grid, nuclear station. We use Nexus. We're going to use SA 62443 to map for industrial control in that space also. Then we're going to learn a GRC tool, a partner of ours called Risk Rhino. So we look forward to having you there. So just go ahead and register. This is going to be an exciting one, a fun time. And I can't wait to see you all in the program. And this will be a transformational experience. We'll see you in the program. Thanks. And to register, it's very easy. Just go to academy.skillweed.com. And once you get to the site, just go to the governance, risk and compliance here. And you can see the program is here. You can go ahead and register. And that's really pretty much the process. It's quite straightforward. And we look forward to having you in the program. This will be a transformational experience. And we'll talk soon. And God bless. Take care, everybody.